Reviews are mixed about the Dermatology Barrier Repair Mask, especially about how it smells. I'm going to give you my thoughts on how it performs and what I think about its scent, if it really has any scent at all. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. I'm 64 now, and my skin behaves very differently compared to how my skin was in my 20s, 30s, and 40s. It's like menopause was a turning point, so I really can't take skincare advice from younger women whose skin is now what mine used to be. Products respond differently to their skin than it does to mine. So if you're over 50, you're at the right channel. My skin type is from my dad's side of the family, which is Scandinavian and more dry than oily. Since the Dermatology brand is a high quality brand, I'm always up for trying their products. One of their newest products is their Barrier Repair Masks. It's basically an emollient nighttime moisturizer. It's thicker than their peptide night cream. Now, they call it a mask, but if you leave it on your skin overnight, that's what you're supposed to do anyway. The ingredients include hyaluronic acid, peptides, ceramides, shea butter, vitamin E as an antioxidant, and several plant-based oils. Now let's get to the scent. There are some reviews on the website alluding to a bad scent. Now when I read that, after having used this product several times, I thought, what? Now, I'm sensitive to all scents, and those of you who have been my subscriber for a long time, you know that. I do all kinds of videos on unscented products, and most scents in products give me a headache. I had this jar sitting next to me while I was doing prep work for this video. So I opened the jar and smelled it really close. It didn't have any scent. I put a little bit on the back of my hand, and there wasn't a scent that lingered. I wondered if these people, they all got a jar from the same batch, that somehow, maybe by mistake, that batch got a scent in it during the manufacturing process. I don't know. Believe me, if I smelled anything from this moisturizer, this barrier repair mask, I would tell you, when I applied the barrier repair mask, it's my last product at night. I dot it on to areas of my face where I have lines or dryness. Then I blend it in with my fingertips all over my face and neck. And that's it. It's not greasy at all. It absorbs into my skin fairly quickly. Now, if you're looking for a regular nighttime moisturizer, I still think the peptide night cream is the first choice for a regular night cream because it's lighter weight and it has 5 peptides and 3 ceramides. The barrier repair mask, I think, is great if you do any occasional facial treatments or use stronger products once in a while, such as retin A or retinols or alpha hydroxy acids or some other masks that can be drying. Then using the barrier repair mask for a night or two afterward is a great way to give your skin an extra boost of hydration in an emollient cream. Now, I have sensitive skin too, and I haven't had a problem with this barrier repair mask. It also contains oat, aloe, and chamomile extracts, which are soothing for sensitive skin. I did notice a few reviewers wrote that they have sensitive skin, and a couple of them said sometimes their skin didn't like this product so much. But for me, my skin takes to it well. If you want to try it out, make sure to use my link, which automatically gives you 20% off your purchase. The link is in the description box below the video and in the first comment. To get to the description box on a phone or tablet, go below the video and you'll see the word more. Tap that word more and the box expands a little bit. Then you have to tap the word more a second time and the box opens completely. Then scroll down to the section called products shown or mentioned, and all the products will be listed and linked there. If it's easier for you to get to the first comment on a phone or tablet, also below the video, you'll see the word comments. Tap comments and it will open partially. Then you have to tap the words read more, and that first comment will open completely. I have several other video reviews of dermatology products. I'll list and link to several of those videos in the description box and in the first comment too. It's a great brand with a great quality skincare products. I'll also post 2 of those videos on the right side of the screen. Tap one of those images over there, and I'll see you in the next video.